We have threaded the Singer ProFinish Serger with all 4 threads, 2 loopers, and a left and right needle. And so this is considered a 4-thread overlock or 4-thread construction seam. The 2 needles that we have in here, the left one is higher than the right one, so if you're having trouble, make sure that they are not at the same height, that the left one is higher. And then when you serge your seam, you're putting fabrics right sides together and then cutting off the seam allowance based on your particular pattern. And voila, so it's cut, it puts together a nice finished edge, and it is the construction seam all at once. Now do keep in mind, whichever color is in the outside needle, so in the left needle is my blue thread, that's the one that actually shows. So if you are working on a very specific color of fabric, you don't actually have to buy 4 cones of serger thread. You could put the matching thread, so if I was sewing on pink fabric, put matching pink thread in that outside needle only and let the insides be whatever color would make sense. I have been known to even have colorful insides in my serger projects, but like a gray or cream is great. If it's darker fabrics, use say 3 blacks over there. But yes, match up that last needle to be what you're going to see when that construction seam opens up. So 4-thread overlock, probably one of the stitches you're going to use the most on this Singer ProFinish Serger.